Welcome students. You are welcome to in the class how to solve numericals, and today's topic is charge. It means how to solve numericals on charge. It is very easy to solve numericals on charge if you have proper concept on physics. If you have physics proper concept of charge, then you can solve this question very easily. Here we see that question is a liquid drop has 20 excess electrons. It means there is a drop of liquid, anything's liquid is like milk, cream, or cream drop, or honey drop, or oil drop, anything. If it is a drop and it has excess of 20 electrons, excess of electrons means it have the negative charge. You know that if any body have negative charge, then it have excess of electrons, or we can say if any body have excess of electrons, then it got negative charge. So then you know that this oil drop or this drop has negative charge. And what is the charge on this liquid drop? We have to find. Here we see that excess of electrons. It means 20 electrons excess on the drop. That means negative charge appears on the drop. Now we have to find how many quantity of what quantity of charge acquire the body or liquid drop. You know that the formula charge Q is equal to number of electrons transferred N into elementary charge E. You know that N is number of electrons which are transferred. It means excess or deficiency of electron, N, and E is the elementary charge. And the charge of elementary is defined as 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Here coulomb is the unit of charge. What is Q? Q is quantity of charge. What is Q? Quantity of charge. If the body acquires charge, then what quantity of charge it have? This is the value Q. Here you see that Q is equal to NE. In this formula Q equal to NE, we have given that N is equal to, we have given N is equal to 20. It means 20 number of electrons are excess on that oil drop, and we have find that E equal to elementary charge, that is, then we have find Q, and Q is equal to NE, then N is 20 and E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This value gives us 16 to the 32, a 0 after one place decimal, and 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Then we find 3.2 standard value into 10 to the power minus 18 coulomb. How can we find this? You see that decimal is transferred to the left side. It means the total value is decreases. If we transfer the decimal towards the left side, then we decrease the value. If we decrease value, if this decimal transferred to left side one place, then we divide this value by 10. Here if we divide it by 10, then we have to multiply also in this value by 10. If we divide by 10, then we find it that 3.2, and if we divide, then we have to multiply into this value into 10 power 1. You know that on the same base and in multiplication powers are added. So minus 19 plus 1 gives minus 18 coulomb. This is the charge acquired by the oil drop when it have 20 excess electrons, and the nature of the charge is negative. Nature of the charge, why it is negative? Because it have excess of electrons. Note down. Here is the another question. Can an object have a charge of 2.8 into 10 power minus 18 coulomb? Justify your answer. The question is that can a body acquires a quantity of charge is equal to 2.8 into 10 power minus 18 coulomb or not? Let us check solution. You have given that the quantity of charge Q is equal to 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 18 coulomb, and the elementary charge E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now we have to check that how many number of electrons transferred from this body are come on this body. It means it acquires it have excess of electrons or it have deficiency of electrons. It means it gives its electrons to the another body. Now we know that Q is equal to Ne, and we find N is equal to Q by E. Here Q is 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 18 coulomb, and E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. If we solve this, we find 4 7 ja and 4 4 ja. 4 by 7 means 4 1 ja 4, 3 4 7 ja 28, and 4 5 ja 20 into. If we take 10 power minus 19 upper side or take it to the numerator, then if we find that 10 power plus 19, 10 power minus 18 into 10 power 19. We cut it the units coulomb into and coulomb. You know that the formula of powers, that if any number is in negative form like this, then when we transfer it denominator to numerator, then the power is become positive. Here we see that minus 19 is plus 19 when it goes to numerator. Then we find 1.75 into 10 to the power 9 minus 18 plus 19, that means 10 power 1, that is equal to 17.5 number of electrons deficient or excess. You know that electrons cannot be divided until you know that the physics and chemistry found that electrons are not divisible if we accept the theory of quark, but quark is not here. Then we know that the small charge is that, and the quantization of charge says that Q is equal to Ne. It means N is the whole number. What is N? Here N is a whole number, or we can say if we take sign of the charge, then we can say then N is an integer number, and we know that whole number and integer number are the full numbers, and they don't have fractions. But here we find that 17.5, that is 17 and half, which is in the form of fraction. So so this theory, this value, this value not satisfies the theory. So we can say that any object which have 2.8 into 10 power minus 18 coulomb charge cannot be acquired by any object. So we say that there is no object which have a charge of 2.8 into 10 power minus 18 coulomb. No doubt.